Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best products out there to help you shop smarter. Today, we're diving into what we're calling the best baby first aid grooming kit on the market, the Frida Baby Ultimate Baby Kit. If you're a new parent or searching for the perfect baby shower gift, this 10-piece newborn essentials set from Frida Baby might just be the holy grail. It's called the Big Bundle of Joy, and for good reason. This isn't your average grooming kit. It's a thoughtfully curated collection of wellness, grooming, gas relief, and teething tools all in one box. Let's start with the sick day essentials. Every parent dreads that first cold, but Frida Baby has you covered with the Nose Frida Snot Sucker. Yes, it sounds weird, but it works like a charm. It's a pediatrician-recommended nasal aspirator that clears out mucus gently and effectively, making sure your baby can breathe easy. Along with it, you get the Frida AccuDose Pacifier, a genius little tool that makes medicine time less of a battle. Instead of a traditional syringe, this pacifier dispenser delivers accurate doses of liquid medicine directly to your baby without triggering their gag reflex. And if you're worried about fever, the quick read rectal thermometer included in the kit gives you an accurate reading in just 10 seconds, something that really matters when your baby is fussy. Next up, let's talk gas. If you've ever had a colicky baby, you know the desperation of trying to relieve their discomfort. Enter the Windy Gas Passer. It's a simple, single-use tool that instantly relieves gas buildup. It's designed to reach past the muscle that traps the gas, while a built-in stopper ensures you can't insert it too far. It may seem a little strange at first, but the relief it brings is almost immediate, and many parents swear by it. Now on to grooming. The Snipper Clipper Nail Set is a game-changer. Trimming tiny baby nails can be nerve-wracking, but this clipper has a built-in safety spy hole that lets you see exactly what you're doing. The curved blades are designed for smooth and silent snipping, reducing the chance of nicks and cuts. Paired with the S-shaped nail file, it makes nail care less of a chore and more of a confident parenting win. Moving on to skincare and hair care. The kit includes Derma Frida the Skin Soother, a 100% silicone brush that gently exfoliates and helps manage cradle cap, dry skin, and even baby eczema. It's soft, easy to clean, and soothing on your baby's skin. Also in the box, a soft bristle hairbrush and styling comb that are perfect for taming newborn wisps without tugging or pulling. The materials used throughout the kit are a combination of baby-safe plastic and silicone. The care instructions are simple too. Just hand wash the components to keep them clean and ready for the next use. And while you do get all of this packed in a single kit, what really makes it shine is how it brings together everything you need, from daily grooming to unexpected sick days, in one place. Instead of buying each item separately and hoping they work together, Frida Baby has done the work for you. It's perfect for expecting parents, baby shower registries, or even as a thoughtful gift for friends or family welcoming a new baby. It takes the guesswork out of baby care and equips parents with tools that are smart, safe, and most importantly, effective. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. And let us know in the comments what product you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.